Okay, let's go first.
I don't care.
The final video.
Finally, I'm recording. Whoa. Hey, they didn't let them we were recording in here? No?
Last time we went.
Finally, this is like probably the first time I record like in the school, not outside.
But I got this fucking video because I get a fucking charger for my computer. But videos will be soon released later this year.
Yeah, just go like to Atomi and try to find some chargers for it.
Sound like you're recording, right?
Yes.
Fuck your life. Fuck your life. Hugo, be famous. Hugo! Bury the bottom.
I bet I got that full already.
Bury the bottom. He's very. Wait, yeah, I forgot.
Did he?
Shout out to my lady, Jerry. I love you.
Hey, does she have a YouTube account?
Jerry?
Yeah. No?
I don't think so.
Wow.
Well, dude, shout out to her. I love you, baby. Can't wait for you this summer. And all that stuff. Yeah.
She'll probably never find this video, fool.
It's called the link, emailing the link to her.
Hey, well, once I get the title, I'll tell you.
No, I don't know if you're recording.
If we'll get up the
I'm ready. I see you recording because you are.
I think I finally got her again. On camera.
Where are you going, Dominic?
Where do you think I'm going?
I'm like,
right here.
I gotta, look, you're recording. Terry the Waterbush.
Hey, what's up, Armando?
Hey, Terry, get your ass over here.
Yes, Caesar.
This one doesn't care because he's a YouTuber too. iPhone 4, bitch.